Welcome to the January 2026 newsletter highlights. We've got trending tips, big events, and inspiring stories to share. Let's jump in. This month's trending tech tip is all about accessibility and creativity. Did you know adding text to Schoology items unlocks Immersive Reader for students? That means read aloud, translation, and more. Plus, you can pair Schoology assignments with Canva templates so every student gets their own editable design. Mark your calendars. February 26, 2026 is the MNPS AI Summit. Artificial intelligence isn't just the future, it's here. This hands-on event will explore real-world applications and empower educators and students to become AI-literate changemakers. Computer science is thriving in MNPS. Our Spring 2026 CS Professional Learning Sessions are coming soon, perfect for teachers ready to level up their CS integration. And don't miss the Minecraft Build Challenge. Design the school of the future. Submissions are due February 8th. Details and registration links are in the description. This month, we celebrate Leigh Harbort, computer science teacher at Harris-Hillman School. Leigh is leading the way with her vision for a CS curriculum lending library for elementary students, especially those with limited device skills. Rather than seeing this as a barrier, she saw an opportunity, making computer science accessible for all learners. Congratulations on joining the Teacherpreneur program. MNPS teachers have access to MagicSchool AI through ClassLink. This month, we're highlighting the writing feedback feature, which provides clear, standards-aligned feedback on student writing, helping you spot strengths, gaps, and next steps. Big news! Later this month, the field support team will begin rolling out Windows 11 upgrades to all staff computers. Get ready for a smoother, faster experience with exciting new features. That's a wrap for January. There's even more in the full newsletter: professional learning, blended learning tips, and resources you don't want to miss. Visit the link in the description to explore everything. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more MNPS tech updates.